Hey, welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're talking about how to set up your MIDI controllers. So I'm going to open up preferences, and I have a couple MIDI controllers right now, my SL Studio keyboard and IAC driver. And I'm going to talk through track, sync, and remote and why you'd want those on. Track is if you're recording MIDI notes, which I actually don't need to do with my IAC driver. Sync is used if you want to sync Ableton's internal clock with your MIDI controller's external clock. And remote is if you want to map your MIDI controller to control any type of parameters within Ableton. So as you can see for my keyboard, I don't need remote, but I do need track and sync. When I play my keyboard, you can see that it's seeing it there. If it's record enabled, it'll show up there in the meter. Yep, so there we are. We're going to throw on a little electric piano, make sure it's working. Yep, there it is. Since my monitoring is set to auto, if I turn off record enable, you won't hear it anymore. If it was set to in, then you would keep hearing the piano. So I'm going to open up preferences again, and I want to add a new MIDI controller. So here's my Nano Korg, just plugged it in, and I have the track turned off because I'm not recording any notes with it. When it's turned off, you won't see it metering up here. If it's turned on, you will see it. So turn that back off. I have sync on and remote. So now I'm going to go map a MIDI note. So click on MIDI. Oh, I already had one here. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to click on the stop button on my Nano Korg. There it is. The play button. There it is. So I just wrote those CC messages. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we can talk about next.